So we have make a schedule of these windows. This tutorial is basically about window schedules, how we can create window schedules in Revit and then export into Excel file. So for creating window schedule, we first create a simple building. Let's check south elevation. We have created ground floor, first floor and roof. Simply go here, then place some walls here. So now we want to make a schedule of these windows. So first we have to tag all of these. Here is the option of tag, view option, view, annotate, tag all. These are all the same. So we want to make a schedule of these windows. So simply here on the view tab is a schedule option. Click on schedule and the windows. You can see we have created a schedule. Add some fields from available fields to schedule fields. So let's we want cost, want family and type, we want to height, then level, then the seal height, width of the window, cost, family and type, height, level, seal height, and width. And let's we want thickness, rough width, thermal distance. So simply make a so we have make a schedule of these windows. So let's rearrange these fields. Type and then want a type mark. A type mark here. Click. These are the type marks. These are the family and type 24 by 42. These are the type of windows. Height and width of these windows. Then seal height. Then rearrange them. So width. Height. Now again to add cost, simply click here. This is the option of highlight in model. This window will be highlighted in model. Simply click here. Close. We have to specify cost of these windows. Here let's we specify this window cost $15. Click here. And let's check this window. We have added the cost of these windows. So again, here is the option of schedules. Click here window schedule. You can see we have added all the cost of all the windows. And again, you can rearrange these fields by filter or by sorting or grouping. Let's select filter. Let's we want to mention or we want to show only the windows of the ground floor. Simply select level equal to ground floor, or you want to first floor. Simply click OK. Only the ground floor windows will be visible to us. As you can see, let's we want to show the windows of first floor. And change the first floor, and only the first floor windows will be visible to us. Again, edit. Let's we want to only show that W1 windows. Let's click on type mark here, W1. Only the W1 windows will be visible here. Activate all these parameters. Done. Click OK. Please increase the length of this section. Again, from this section, sorting and grouping, let's click here. So if you want to change or arrange them, so if you want to arrange these windows by level or by type mark, so we can do from here. If you want to sort of these windows by level method, so simply click level, click here header. All the windows will be grouped by the level option. So let's check another type of properties, grouping or sorting. So if we want to sort out these windows by specific level, let's we want to know that how many windows are on the ground floor and how many windows are on the first floor. We can choose from here, sort out by level, then choose it by header, and we can also grant totals. This gives us the number of windows on specific floor. Click OK. We can see this is our ground floor. These are the windows on the ground floor, and these are the windows on the first floor, and the total windows are 54 windows. We have all of these windows are 54. So let's we want to again sort out these windows by these type marks. Let's click on formatting, group and sorting. Let's we want to sort out these windows by type mark. Simply click here type mark and select this header, select it. You can see we have sort out these windows by type mark. So these are W1 windows, 8 windows. These are W2, 10 windows, W3, 8 windows, and the grand total is 54. Let's we want to sort out these windows by level and then by type mark method. So select firstly level, and then close this, then again we select a type mark, and this gives us the information that how many windows on the first floor or on the ground floor are W1, W2 or W3. Let's select footer, click OK. Now you can see on the ground floor we have 4 W1 windows, 6 W2 windows, and 4 W3 windows, 6 W4 windows, and 4 W5 windows, and 4 W6 windows. And same on the first floor we have different type of windows. So let's we want to sum of all of these cost. So simply click on the formatting, click on cost, click total. So this gives us the total of all the cost. So W1 windows on the ground floor has $100 cost. W2 windows on the ground floor has $90 cost, and according to this, total cost of all of these 54 windows is $1166. On the ground floor we have $120 cost, only $120 is cost. So on total we have $1160 cost. So we can also change these text from this option. Let's we want a center option method. We can also change the font. Let's we want a Times New Roman font. Click OK, and see we have into bold text. Again, that's we want option. Click OK. Again, click here. This is the shading option. This is the border option. Click here and click here. Next, we want to shade these shading parameters. This is the shading option. Next, we want to shade them by this color. So as you can see, the shading will be changed. So let's explore another option. Next, we want to change this window schedule font. So we can change it separately. So in this way we can create and modify our window schedule. So to export this schedule to Excel, simply go here in file option, click on the schedule, report the schedule. Then you have to select whether you want to CSV file, Excel file or text file. You select CSV file, window schedule. Click OK. File option, and here is a so you can see we have exported our window from Revit to Excel. So this tutorial is basically about window schedule. Hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any question, any query, you can ask me in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.